Built between 1873 and 1874, the tower was part of Milwaukee's first public water system. It stands 175 feet tall and was designed in Victorian Gothic style by architect Charles A. Gombert. Despite the name, it didn't store water. It enclosed a massive iron standpipe that stabilized water pressure from steam pumps below on Lake Michigan. When the system opened in 1874, it delivered about 16 million gallons of water per day to Milwaukee through miles of underground pipes. The tower remained part of the system until 1963, when modern electric pumps made the standpipe obsolete. Built from local Cream City break-in limestone, today it's a Natural Historic Landmark listed structure and one of the most recognizable landmarks on Milwaukee's east side.